So my engine was revving really high, which meant that there was a vacuum leak. And upon listening to the engine, I found out there was a vacuum leak right over in this area. So I thought it was one of these. So I pulled the engine apart and I inspected everything. Everything seems nice and tight. And when I took a look at this right here, this is the auxiliary air pump. It attaches here and here, and this is so old and hard that it doesn't matter how hard I tighten it, it still doesn't seal. So the vacuum leak was coming from this right here. This was my culprit. This is what I mean. I'm going to actually put this back on and show you how this kind of slides back and forth even though this is tightened. Alright, so here it is.
You might have also noticed how easy this was to slide back in.
And this goes back and forth. So this is really loose, and this also is really loose. So the air is escaping from this. So I'm going to cut this off and replace it with a newer piece of hose. This is just not sealing anymore. And you see how the areas where the clamp connects to, see how that's depressed in? Can't go in any further, and this is basically done. I'm replacing it with a high temperature 5/8 inch inside diameter 16 millimeter silicone hose. This, it's a little bit smaller, but it's going to provide a more tighter fit. And you could see the it's reinforced right there. There we go. And I'm going to go ahead and put the clamp on. And I guarantee you that these fittings are now airtight.
Now all I have to do is tighten the clamp on the other end and I am done. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.